What's up guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa bandang Rio Brothers, ang napakagaling na banda guys. Ito yung cover song nila ng kanta ng The Beatles, yung Till There Was You. Napakagandang cover nito guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react.
One, two, three, four. There were bells on a hill, but I'll never heard them ringing.
Ganda ng boses. Buong buo.
No, I never heard them at all till there was you. There were birds in the sky, but I never saw them ringing. No, I never.
Ang linis talaga nila mag-cover, ano guys, no? Talagang yung tunog nila napakalinis. Wala kang maririnig na ibang tunog kundi yung kanilang mga instrumento lang. Linaw.
Saw them at all till there was you. Then there was music and wonderful roses. They tell me
Pag mga ganitong tugtugan, ang sarap mag-sound trip. Nakaka-relax yung mga ganitong klaseng tugtugan.
in sweet fragrant meadows of dawn and dew there was love all around, but I never heard it singing.
Galing ng lead guitar nila, no? Talagang plakado yung sa Beatles kung kuha niya yun. Yung part na yun.
No, I never heard it at all till there was you.
Ay, grabe. Pamatay yung adlib, guys. Napaka-husay mag-adlib ng kanilang lead guitar. Parang wala pang ano yun, guitar effects. Parang natural lang yung tunog ng electric guitar. Tunog acoustic.
Then there was music and wonderful roses. They tell me in sweet fragrant meadows of dawn and dew.
Ang lupit din ng kanilang drummer, ano. Talagang yung palo niya ano lang katamtaman, hindi malakas, hindi mahina. Swak na swak dun sa tugtugan nila. Ang galing mag-control ng sounds.
There was love all around, but I never heard it singing. No, I never heard it at all till there was you. Till there was you.
Grabe, napakaswabe plucking.
Who knows how long I've loved you?
Ayun,
You know
medley pala to guys.
love is still. Will I wait a lonely lifetime?
Ang galing nila sa harmony, no? Yung kanilang blending napakaganda. Parang mga nakasalansan yung mga boses talaga nila.
If you want me to, I will. For if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it never really.
Siguro bata pa lang sila guys, mga Beatles na talaga yung kanilang mga pinag-aaralan tugtugin.
I will always
Kuwang-kuwa nila.
feel the same. Love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're.
Nagaganda talaga ako dun sa bass guitar ng kanilang bahista. Kamukhang kamukha yung bass ni Paul McCartney.
Together, love you when we're apart, and when
Dami nilang gitara pala guys, oh. May mga acoustic pa sila nakasabit. Mukhang marami silang klase ng instrumento. Mga musikero talaga ng Rio Brothers.
Make it easy to believe for the things you do and did you to me. How you know I will.
Ang lalamig ng boses. Grabe. Ang linis nila tumugtog. Ang linis din ng kanilang harmony, guys. Ang gaganda ng boses.
If I fell in love with you, would you promise to be true and help me understand? 'Cause I've been in love before.
Talagang master na master nila yung mga kanta ng The Beatles, ano.
And I found that love was more than just holding hands. If I give my heart
Yun, no? Panalong panalo yung harmony na yan.
to you, I must be sure from the very start.
Pag pumikit ka, guys, pag pinakinggan mo, maririnig mo talaga yung tunog Beatles talaga.
That you would love me more than her if I trust in you.
May mga collection din sila ng guys, mga pictures ng The Beatles. Tsaka album yata, yan ay yung mga naka-display sa likod.
Oh please, don't run and hide if I love you too. Oh please, don't hurt my pride like her, 'cause I couldn't stand the pain.
Grabe, nakakilabot naman yung harmony niya. Gandang-ganda talaga ako sa nila, boses nila pag nagsabay-sabay sila. Ang galing.
And I would be sad if all you were was in vain. So I hope you see that I would love to love.
Kaya hindi nakapagtaka, guys, puro viral yung kanilang mga kanta, no? Ang lupit nila mag-tugtugan. Pati sa kantahan, grabe.
You and that she
Mga napaka-talented talaga nila lahat.
will cry when she loves me or two, 'cause I couldn't stand the pain and
Siguro bata pa lang sila, talagang mga Beatles na yung kanilang mga pinakikinggan, no? Na tugtugan. Kaya parang nakuha na talaga nila style sa pagtugtog, sa pagkanta. Kuha na nila.
would be sad if all you love was in vain. So I hope you see that I would love to love you and that
Yung mga instrumento nila mukhang lahat no? Original lahat. Ang ganda ng quality pati ng tunog.
she will cry when she learns we are two. If I fell in love with you.
Ang ganda pakinggan nung strumming ng kanilang lead guitar. Galing. Grabe. Sold talaga ako, guys, sa pakikinig sa bandang Rio Brothers. Ang gagaling nila. Yan, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, guys, sa kanilang channel, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin, panoorin natin yung kanilang mga video. Napakaganda, guys. Ayan at sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.